Welcome to KR Tutorials. In this video I am going to explain few try this and think and discuss questions in trigonometry chapters. So in that first one, in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at C. BC plus CA equals to 23 centimeters and BC minus CA equals to 7 centimeter. Then find sin A and tan B. So this is one question. See here. So the solution, in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C. So one right angle triangle is given. So this is a one right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, where is the right angle? Right angle is at C. So we should take C here. So remaining is what? A, B, C or ABC, your wish. So right angle at C. But here, in the previous cases, they given individual values, individual sides of a triangle. But here, sum of the two sides given, BC plus CA, BC plus CA. If we add these two sides, then we get 23 centimeters. Next given the difference of another two sides, BC minus CA. BC means what? This one, CA. So these two difference is 7 centimeter. Sum of these two sides 23 centimeter. The difference of these two sum is 7 centimeters. The difference of BC and CA. BC and CA. Sorry. The difference of these two, the sum of these two given. Sorry. BC plus CA means BC CA means what? Sum of these two sums given and some difference of these two sides given. Then find sin A and tan B values. So first, by using this data, we have to find individual sides of a triangle, right angle triangle. So here in triangle ABC, so right angle at C means what? Angle C equals to 90 degrees. Angle C equals to 90 degrees. Next, what is given? C, BC plus CA equals to 23 centimeters. And next given BC minus CA equals to 7 centimeters. See, from these two, by using these two, here CA is positive, here CA is negative. So if you add these two equations, so here CA cancel. So plus CA minus CA cancel. So 1BC plus 1BC, 2BC equals to 23 plus 7, 30 centimeters. Then BC equals to what? 30 centimeters by 2. So 2BC 30 centimeters. Then 1BC half of the 30 centimeters. So that is equals to 15 centimeters. So only one BC value is what? That 15 centimeters. So this BC value 15 centimeters. Now BC equals to 15 centimeter. Substitute in any one equation, either in this or in this. So BC equals to 15 centimeter. Substitute in. So take this first one. BC plus CA equals to 23. But here BC value is what? 15 plus CA. 15 plus CA value should be equals to 23. Then CA equals to 23 minus 15. Then CA equals to 23 minus 15 means what? 8. 8 centimeters. So here CA value 8 centimeters. Yeah. Now once check 15 plus 8, answer is 23. So BC plus CA value 23. BC minus CA, 15 minus 8, 7 centimeter. So that's why 15 and 8 centimeters are correct. Yeah. Now we have to, and we should know on one more side, that is AB. So by using Pythagoras theorem, okay, we can find AB value. So then after we can find the sin A and tan B values. So now let us use Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now by Pythagoras theorem, okay, so we can write by using Pythagoras theorem the square of the hypotenuse. So AB square equals to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides, AC square plus BC square. So AB square value we have to find. AC square value is what? AC square value 8 centimeter whole square plus BC value 15 centimeter whole square. So AB square equals to 8 square value what? 64 centimeter square plus 15 value 225 centimeter square. Then AB square equals to 64 plus 2 25. So 289 centimeter square. 289 centimeter square. Then AB equals to under root of 289 centimeter square. Then AB equals to 218 centimeter square root value. 218 square root is what? 17. Centimeter square root is what? Centimeter. So that's why hypotenuse AB value 17 centimeters. 17 centimeters. So this hypotenuse value 17 centimeters. Here. Now by using this we can find. Okay. Now by using this we can find sin A and tan B values. Yeah. So now in that first one is what? We have to find sin A. Okay, sin A. So sin A equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So your opposite side to which angle? Angle A. So angle A, opposite side is what? 15 cm BC. By hypotenuse is what? 17. So 15 centimeter by 17 centimeter. Centimeter cancel. 15 by 17. 15 by 17 is answer. Yeah. So next to second one, that is tan B. Okay, tan B equals to what? Okay, B angle opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So 8 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Centimeter cancel. So 8 by 15 is answer. Yeah. Next, some think and discuss questions are there. See here, 3 think and discuss questions are given. So in that first one is sin x equals to 4 by 3 does exist for some value of angle x. Sin x equals to 4 by 3 is exist, means it is possible for some value of x. That is first question. Second question, the value of sin A and cos A is always less than 1. Why? Sin A values and cos A's values always less than y only. Not greater than 1 or not equals to 1 also. Why? What is the reason for that? Third one, tan A is product of tan and A. Tan A we are writing now. That is the product of tan and A or not. So these are the 3 think and discuss questions. So now let's see in this first one, sin x equals to 4 by 3 does exist for some value of angle x. So see, sin x value 4 by 3 not exist. See why? Because see here sin x means what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. opposite side by hypotenuse. So if you take one right angle triangle, okay, say for example this is ABC, we are taking one angle here x, then this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. Opposite, this is hypotenuse. But here the question given, this value is equals to 4 by 3. That means opposite side 4 and hypotenuse 3. But in a right angle triangle, always hypotenuse value is greater than of the remaining two sides, greater than that of the remaining two sides. So here hypotenuse is right angle triangle, hypotenuse is always greater than opposite side and hypotenuse is always greater than adjacent side. So hypotenuse value is always greater than opposite side and always greater than adjacent side. So here opposite side value never greater than hypotenuse. But here this is 4 given, this is 3 given. So what is that mean? Opposite side value is greater than hypotenuse. So exactly opposite to this statement given. Opposite side is greater than hypotenuse given. But it is not possible. Always in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is greater than opposite side and adjacent side. So that's why 4 by 3 does not exist for any value of x. But 4 by 3 not exist, but 3 by 4 exist. Okay, 3 by 4 exist. So now let's see second one, that is the value of sin A and cos A is always less than 1. Why? So here sin A value is what? Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. Next cos A value is what? See cos A value we are writing here. So this is sin A value. Next cos A equals to what? Cos A equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. See here we are telling two statements. Hypotenuse is greater than opposite side. Hypotenuse is greater than opposite side means what? Numerator is smaller than denominator. Here also adjacent side, hypotenuse is greater than adjacent side means what? So here also numerator is smaller than denominator. So that's why when numerator is smaller than denominator, then the fraction value is less than 1. Here also this numerator value is less than 1. So that's why sin A and cos A values always less than y only. So here sin A, cos A values, sin A equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, cos A value adjacent side by hypotenuse. But always hypotenuse is greater than opposite side and adjacent side. So that means here always opposite side and adjacent sides are less than hypotenuse. So that's why in these two fractions always numerator value is less than denominator. So that's why that fractions values are less than 1. So that's why sin x and cos A values also less than 1. Next third one, tan A is product of tan and A. So tan A we are writing means tan A equals to tan into A or not is asking. No, this is wrong. So here tan A means tan into A, no. So this is okay angle, tan angle of A, tangent angle of A. So we can't separate it. Sin A means sine of angle A. Cos A means what? Cosine of angle A. So it is not a product. So that's why we can't separate. Tan A means tan A, both are not separate. Okay, it is complete one short form of tangent of angle A. Tangent of angle A. So that's why it is not a product of tan A and tan and A. Yeah, now let's see one more try this sum. So the question is express sec A and cos A in terms of sides of triangle. So here sec A and cos A values we have to write in terms of sides of a triangle. So already we know if it is a right angle triangle, okay, any one right angle triangle ABC, if you take this one as angle, So angle opposite side, this one is called opposite side, this one is called adjacent side, and this one is called hypotenuse. 90 degrees opposite side is always hypotenuse. So here first sec A value we have to write in terms of say for example here you take A. Why? Because opposite side of A. So here A, B, C we are taking. A, B, C. So angle A, here angle is given A. So that's why at A we are taking angle. Then this is opposite side to angle A. This is adjacent side to angle A. This is hypotenuse. So sec A value is what? So this is the reverse of cos. So the ratio between hypotenuse. So the ratio between hypotenuse to adjacent side is called sec A. So the ratio between hypotenuse to adjacent side of a angle A is called sec A. So that's why if you write sec A value in terms of sides of a triangle, then we can write hypotenuse by adjacent side. So same like that, if you write cos A, so cos means what? The ratio between adjacent side to hypotenuse. So the ratio between adjacent side to hypotenuse is called cos A. See, these two are reversed. Okay, so that's why we can write this one as 1 by hypotenuse by opposite side. So that's why 1 by hypotenuse by opposite side we can write as sec A. So that's why cos A equals to 1 by sec A, or sec A equals to 1 by cos A also we can write. Already this concept I explained in first video. Next, two more think and discuss questions are there. So first one is sin A by cos A equals to tan A. Sin A by cos A value equals to tan A or not? We have to think and discuss. Same like that, is cos A by sin A is equals to cot A or not? Let's see first one. Here sin A and cos A. When you divide sin A with cos A, it is equals to tan A or not? See, sin A equals to means what? Sin A equals to the ratio between opposite side of a angle A to hypotenuse. Next, cos A is equals to what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now sin A by cos A value we are calculating. So sin A divided with cos A. So sin A value what? Opposite side by hypotenuse by next cos A value is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So in this denominator hypotenuse, in this denominator also hypotenuse, both are cancelled. So remaining opposite side by adjacent side. But the ratio between opposite side to adjacent side is known as tan A or tan theta. So that's why this is correct. We can write sin A by cos A is equals to tan A. Okay, sin A by cos A is equals to tan A. It is correct. Same like that. See this one also. Again here cos A by sin A value we have to calculate. Cos A equals to, we can write as opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side to hypotenuse ratio. By sin A we can write as opposite side by hypotenuse. Again in the denominator hypotenuse, in this hypotenuse gets cancelled. So remaining we have opposite side by adjacent side by opposite side. So the ratio between adjacent side to opposite side is known as cot theta or cot A. So this is cot A. So that's why cos A by sin A value we are getting cot A. So that's why we can write cos A by sin A equals to cot A. So this is also correct. Cos A by sin A equals to cos A, and sin A by cos A is equals to tan A. So these two are correct.